How to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, tap on your existing Google account. Tap on add another account, then simply tap on use another account. Now you want to go ahead and select create account and select for my personal use. Now enter the first name. After you enter your first name, you can go ahead and enter the last name or you can just leave it as it is. Once done, tap on next. Go ahead and select your birth date. Also select your gender. Now once you're done, tap on next. Now in this page, you can go ahead and choose your Gmail address or you can simply tap on create your own Gmail address and then type in your own Gmail address. Once you're done, tap on next again. So in this page, you want to go ahead and type in your password, confirm your password and then tap on next again. Now from here, scroll below and then simply tap on I agree. And just like that, you have successfully created your Gmail account without your phone number. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.